This problem asks you to find f the function value of fx for all real value x when fx is defined by limit of n approaching infinity and the formula fractional form of 1 divided by 1 plus n times sine square of pi x. This problem must be looking difficult since it's very unusual type of limit problems. There is no pair of n's and there is only one n. Let's try to decipher this step by step. We'll begin it in two steps. First, when x is not an integer value, then the sine square of pi x can never be 0. It is positive less or equal than 1. And when however small it is, when we multiply n and we apply the limiting process, it becomes infinity. It means it increases without limit. So the denominator becomes infinity. The function value of fx becomes 0, except the integer value of x. Then what happens to the integer values of x? That is the second case when x equals 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, and is so on. Then sine pi x becomes just 0. Since the parameter is integral multiple of pi, then it becomes 0. So whatever n it is, when we multiply n to 0, it remains just 0. Be careful, it is not any type of this careless classifying scheme. It is not at all this type of problem. Remember that, and be careful not to get confused. So we can say fx can be plotted like this. For all integer values, for all integer value, it becomes the function value of fx 1, except those everywhere it is 0. So the function can be plotted like this. It is periodical everywhere. And that's it. And I'll prepare some GeoGebra animation like explanation sooner or later. Thank you. If you have any further questions or comments, please leave what you think and encourage me or criticize me. Everything is welcomed. But don't insult me for my poor English or poor explanation.